Hey Akash, today Dad was discussing with other crew members on the ways to improve the workings of the spaceship.
Yes, Akshara, even I was present there.
During the talk, Dad mentioned that using fins having the shape of an equilateral triangle might help improve the performance of the ship.
Is that so? But what is an equilateral triangle?
I was wondering the same thing. Let us go and ask Chitti.
Chitti, what is an equilateral triangle?
Since you asked this question, why don't I tell you about the classification of triangles, which will make you aware of all the different kinds of triangles?
Sure, Chitti.
In this session, you will learn about parts of a triangle, classification of triangles by measure of its angles, acute angle triangle, right-angled triangle, obtuse angle triangle, classification of triangles by lengths of its sides, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Triangle, as we know, is a simple closed figure. It is a polygon made from 3 line segments. Triangle is also formed by joining 3 non-collinear points. The word triangle is made up of 2 words, tri and angle, which means a figure having 3 angles. We already know that a triangle is depicted by the name of its vertices. For example, the triangle shown here is depicted as triangle ABC. It can also be denoted as triangle ACB, triangle BAC, and triangle BCA, and so on. The order of vertices does not matter while naming a triangle. A triangle comprises of 3 line segments as its sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. In the triangle ABC shown, the sides are the line segments AB, BC, and CA. The vertices of the triangle are A, B, and C, and the angles of the triangle are angle A, angle B, and angle C. A triangle can be classified based on the measure of their angles and the lengths of their sides. Let us first consider the classification of triangles based on the size of their angles. Every triangle has at least 2 acute angles. It is based on the third angle that the classifications are done. If the third angle is also acute, then all the 3 angles are acute. That is, all the angles are less than 90 degrees. Such a triangle is known as an acute angle triangle or acute triangle. Here, triangle ABC is an acute angle triangle where all the angles are less than 90 degrees. If the third angle is equal to 90 degrees, that is, if the third angle is a right angle, then the triangle is known as a right angle triangle or a right triangle. Here, triangle L, M, and N is a right angle triangle where angle M is a right angle and angle L and angle N are acute angles. If the third angle is greater than 90 degrees, that is, if the third angle is an obtuse angle, then the triangle is known as an obtuse angle triangle or obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle is a triangle in which 2 angles are acute and 1 angle is obtuse. Triangles are also classified on the basis of the number of equal sides they have. If all the sides of a triangle are said to be equal in length, then the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. Now, the triangle ABC is said to be equilateral if the sides AB, BC and CA are equal in length. If two sides of a triangle are equal in length, then the triangle is said to be an isosceles triangle. Triangle LMN is said to be an isosceles if any two sides of the triangle are equal. That is, LM is equal to MN or LM is equal to LN or MN is equal to LN. If all the sides of a triangle are of different lengths, then the triangle is said to be scalene. Triangle PQR is said to be scalene if PQ is not equal to QR is not equal to PR. Akash, can you classify the following triangles into acute angled, obtuse angled or right angled triangles?
Triangle ABC is an acute angled triangle, as all the angles in the triangle are acute angles. Triangle PQR is a right angled triangle, since angle Q of the triangle is a right angle. Triangle DEF is an acute angled triangle, since all the angles of the triangle are less than 90. Triangle XYZ is an obtuse angled triangle, since angle Y of the triangle is greater than 90, that is, one angle of the triangle is an obtuse angle. Triangle LMN is a right angled triangle, since angle M of the triangle is equal to 90.
Good! Akshara, can you classify the following triangles into equilateral, isosceles and scalene?
Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle since all the sides are equal in length. Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle since two sides PQ and PR of the triangle are equal in length. Triangle DEF is a scalene angled triangle since all the sides of the triangle are different in length. Triangle XYZ is again a scalene triangle since all the sides are of different length. Triangle LMN is an isosceles right angle triangle since two sides of the triangle are equal in length and angle N is 90 degrees.
Good! In this session, you have learnt about parts of a triangle, classification of triangle by measure of its angles, acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle. Classification of triangles by length of its sides, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle.
Now we understood what an equilateral triangle is, or for that matter, about the different kinds of triangle. Thank you, Chitti.
You're welcome. See you later then.